Just watch. Oh, the bee. Oh, what the heck is this?
Man, I thought that was a booger. I was scared for my life.
Shh. 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 Let me tell you something important. Don't forget to subscribe, ring that notification bell, and give a like. Sweeping the Sanddollar. Some of the sand is not coming off. Okay. Every time I do this, it makes me so nervous. Okay, so now we're gonna do the egg part. I think I made that a little too long. Ew. That looks a little weird. Okay, I think I messed that egg up. Or either it's looking, no. It's looking nasty. Yeah, I can't really do anything about that. Okay, so what should I do on this one? The hat. Oh, what the heck is this?
Man, I thought that was a booger. I was scared for my life.
Ooh, snap, my behind shook the building. While walking over here, some water spilled on the floor. The audacity. I'm so tired. I don't even know how to act right now. Dang man, these paintbrushes looking busted. You see this? Yeah, I need to start taking care of my paintbrushes. It's sad. They looking raggedy right now. Ooh. Yeah, I need to take care of them. Should we make a cute little background scenery? I don't know. This paintbrush is huge. I'm gonna have to trade. Does it look dark? Okay, it looks almost dark. That black is dried up. So we're gonna have to use gray. It looks like the gray did nothing for it. Well, you know what? That's not a bad looking color, actually. Okay, now on to the next one. Ooh. We'll use this one. Ooh, that one was stiff. We need a lighter orange. So while I was painting, I was wondering why I was hearing sounds in the background, right? It's cause the hamster's up. Look at it, it's so cute. It picks its days though, cause sometimes it's just plain evil. I mean, this thing got bad blood. This one, I think I'm gonna do a different mouth, so I'm just gonna paint over that. Now the background, I'm not sure what I should do for the background. Ooh man, I really need to clean my palette. It's looking nasty. Oh snap, I just touched that.